Hi, I'm Elaine Sheff, Clinical Herbalist and co-director of Green Path Herbs School. I have been an avid gardener for many years, and I'm very excited to share with you some of the medicinal plants in my garden. Today, we're going to be talking about an herb that is extremely healing for the skin. Welcome to my herbal garden. So this is Calendula, and it's an annual herb. So you can plant the seeds in your garden and it self-sows. So every year it'll come back again and again. And we live in Montana, so it gets really cold in the winters and the seeds have no problem just coming up first thing in the spring. So I actually like to sow them in the fall because then they get a head start in the spring. They can start growing really early. So, and you can see it comes in this beautiful kind of a yellow color. Sometimes it's orange. And it's one of actually the herbs that I look at when I go to an herb store to kind of evaluate their herbs. So it looks much the same once it's dried. So the bottom, the stem and the calyx should be a beautiful green color. And then the flowers, which is what are sold, the part of the herb that's used and sold in stores, it should be kind of this orange or beautiful yellow, vibrant color. So I've seen calendula dried before that looks kind of like straw, and that to me is a sign of a poor quality herb. So so it's just one of the herbs that are kind of my markers when I'm looking at what's the quality of the plant that an herb store is carrying. So this plant, like I said, the flower is the part that's used, and it has a wide variety of uses. So you can take the petals, and like I did today for lunch, I sprinkled them in my salad, and they make a beautiful addition to any salad, or you can also garnish any kind of a dish like a stir fry or something like that with them, and they're beautiful. They have been used to color cheese, actually. And then medicinally, you can use them for fever, so they're diaphoretic, they help you sweat. They're used as an emmenagogue, so they'll bring on a delayed or scanty menstruation. They're a really gentle lymphatic, so I like them to kind of tone and strengthen the lymph. Calendula is also excellent for the skin, and so it's very healing. I love it in a salve or an oil to heal the skin. And it helps to reduce scarring and regenerate skin cell growth, and so it helps the skin repair. So anytime there's a cut or abrasion or a surgical scar or anything like that, you can use calendula for that. It also makes a really nice sitz bath, so you can make a tea and sit in it for postpartum or hemorrhoids or anal fissures or things like that. The other thing I like to use calendula for is for reproductive health care issues for both men and women. So it's wonderful for the breasts, and you can use it for both men and women if there's any kind of a cyst or fibroid in the breast. I think of it as being good for moving masses in tissue. So that can be really anywhere in the body, but particularly in my mind, swollen lymph, fibroids, or cysts. And I like to use it with red root to kind of help move the lymph and clear up those kinds of issues. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to our channel, and we'd love to hear your comments below. You can also like us on Facebook and share us with your friends. To get lots more herbal information and information about classes and events, you can look us up online at greenpathherbschool.com. Thanks so much for watching.